Bom dia, Celso Bill, Highland Hill Farm. Que tem no cabeça?
Estamos aqui no Highland Hill Farm para caçar coelhos hoje. Se tu trouxeres um poste 6x6x12 ratio 3, you can hunt for the day. Se caçares um coelho, tens um dia free. Se caçares 5, you have the rest in the season for free, right?
Right.
Okay, good.
Good.
Take them out, right?
Portuguese parangas in the key.
Oh, we got Portuguese pedengos on the key. On the key.
Come on.
Okay. Okay. This one's a Portuguese pedengos.
Portuguese parangas.
Hey, cut! Those are mixed. Bagel and the Portuguese pedengos.
Boy, okay. Good.
We got one so far.
Português.
Já caçamos um.
You're-
Portuguese? Alright. Put the rabbit down. Eu arranjei esses cães. This one right there. With a long bill of arame. They come from Portugal. The other ones I got it from my friend in Milford, Mass. And some really good dogs. They got the rabbit, they chase the rabbit very good.
How long did it take to get that first rabbit?
The first rabbit, 50 seconds. We just got here, we see the rabbit, we kill it.
I tell you there was rabbits there. Vamos aqui. Come here. Aqui. Ah, what happened there, puppy?
Olha lá, aí. Vai pequenininho.
Oh, okay. José, o cão bate forte aqui embaixo. já vai para cima.
The other one. Hup. The other one. Hup. The other one.
Sta valendo, nele, mas mesmo no fundo já entrar para baixo. Não sei como é que olha os rios caem lá, olha assim para baixo. E então o filho da puta para o rio. Pim! Bota Libório. Vem, vai! Vai! Vai de tudo! Vai! 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 Vai, filhinho! Vai! Fica! Vai!
Linda, come here, come here. Jump, 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 jump. Hop, 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 hop. Away. Linda, come here. Come here, Linda.
Libório! Libório! Anda! Come on, boys! Libório! Anda aqui! Anda cá, burro, anda cá! Anda! Anda!
There you go.
Anda, burro, anda! Anda cá!
That's the old one?
Yes. Anda cá!
He doesn't want to stop.
Anda cá! Este aleijou-se, cortou-se.
Yeah.
Cortou-se.
Look at his peckers all cut up. I'd be walking a little timidly. I'd be hurting too.
Não, põe no chão, no chão. Another one?
Yeah, I got you on video. Tell us where you're from.
We're from Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Came all the way to Fountainville, PA to hunt rabbits.
Oh yeah.
You coming back?
Yes.
I told you if you get 5, you get the rest of the year for free. So you got 10.
We got 2 seasons already. 2 seasons already. Okay. We drive 3 hours and a half.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'm glad you had a good time. And we're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. We sell trees and shrubs, and we also deliver all across the East Coast to people that need trees and shrubs. But these little critters here won't be eating our trees anymore.
Oh yeah.
Amen. And we have a lot of places to hunt, right?
Yes.
Did you hunt all the property or just most of it?
Most of it.
Most of it?
Yep.
Did you get over on the big woods over in that other part?
Yep.
Did you get any out of there?
One.
One. Okay. Well, thank you very much for coming and doing me a service here, getting rid of these critters. Thank you.
You're welcome.